Hey there, Yvette here again. So today I want to teach you the difference between a website and a funnel and why it's important to get that set up for your business so you can 10x it. I'm going to teach you the difference between a website and a funnel and why it's important to have in your business so you can 10x it. And make sure to like and subscribe so you can get notified the next time the video comes out. So most business owners have websites. It's kind of a given if you own a business, but did you know that most customers will not take any action because they are too many distractions? This is where a funnel or a very targeted landing page comes into being a very successful and high converting option. The way it works is that you are guiding the customer through a very specific action and end goal. Imagine having a really amazing sales professional working for you 24/7, so you are able to generate sales on autopilot. That is exactly what a funnel does. Most business owners have websites because it's kind of like their calling card or representation of their business. However, in no way does it really help to turn visitors into customers because there's just too many calls to action and so many things for them to click on. For example, if you want to showcase your products and services or you want to talk about what your company can do, but it's still not going to turn into a lead or turn them into a position to purchase something or sign up unless you guide them through the entire process. And that's what we would do with a funnel. So with a funnel, you'd start off by giving them an incentive to give their email address to you. And then once you've done that, you're basically holding their hand through the whole process where they finally are able to either purchase or set up an appointment with you to learn more. Here's a great example of how it works. So say you're at a grocery store and you're looking for hot dogs. So you don't want to buy ice cream and chips, and maybe you might want to buy chips, but ice cream and candy and whatever else is there. There's too many different options. You might, look around and be like, oh, forget it, I can't find it. Or someone might actually guide you through the process and say, listen, let me take you to the hot dog aisle and let me give you the hot dogs, ketchup, mustard, buns, everything that you need that's going to be exactly what you want. And then they take you to the cash register and then you purchase it and you're happy. And really that's what a funnel does, is it takes you through the process and gives you exactly what you want. So you're not, clicking on different ads and clicking on different areas of the website. You're actually doing exactly what that business owner wants you to do. So it's really not that complicated. We can help you set it up. And the tech part of the whole program and just figuring that out is very simple. We walk you through the whole process. So there's not a lot of work involved on your part as a business owner. It's really just helping you to transition yourself to having a place like a high converting landing page or funnel for your business so that you're able to generate purchases and sales from that website. And it's not that you don't have your own, website that gives, information about what your business does and explains to them what you guys do and what testimonials you have, things like that. There's nothing wrong with having that, but it's not going to convert those visitors into actual paying customers. So by having a funnel in addition, or only, you can have either one, but if you have that funnel set up, it's just like you send a customer to that link, you send them to the funnel, and there you go. Everything is taken care of for you. It's all fully automated, and it works for you for 24/7. So really, you can't, if you didn't know about it, and most business owners don't know about this, but once you start to see the way it works in the process, it just makes things so simple and so easy that you're like, wow, how did I not know about this before? So anyways, thank you for joining me today, and stay tuned for the next video where I show you somebody that's actually done this process and what the results were and how they enjoyed it and how it transformed their business. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.